Welcome back to Abit Academy, and if you are new, a very warm welcome to you. This channel is where you will find learning technical and IT skills is made fun and easy. In this video, we will be formatting tables, and let's not delay any further. Just hit those like and subscribe buttons to help me out, and we'll get started. All right, let's talk tables. Sometimes after you've popped a table into your document, you might think, this isn't quite right. Imagine this. You've got two columns. One's just whispering a few words, while the other's belting out a full-blown novel. It's like comparing a tweet to War and Peace. Now, for the sake of your document's good looks, you might want those columns to fit their content just right. It's like tailoring a suit. You want that perfect fit. Here's a nifty trick. Hover your mouse over the line that separates two cells vertically. Notice something? Your cursor transforms. It now appears as a bar with two arrows pointing in opposite direction. That's what we are after. With this new cursor, press and hold your left mouse button. Now drag it around. You're in control. Adjust the width to whatever you want. To adjust the height, hover your mouse over the line that separates two cells horizontally. Once again, the mouse transforms into a bar with arrows pointing in opposite direction. This time the arrows point up and down. Now click and drag, just as before, and voila. You have successfully adjusted the height of your cell and row. But let's say you're all about precision. You want that column exactly 3 inches wide, not a smidge more. No problem. Click on any cell in the row or column you're adjusting. Then head to the Layout tab. There you'll find fields labeled height and width in the cell size section. Punch in your numbers and hit enter and watch the magic happen. So the next time your table's feeling a bit off, remember these tricks. With a little tweaking, you can make any table fit just right. Happy word processing. All right, let's move on to the world of table graphics. Ever looked at a table and thought, this could use a little pizzazz? Well, you're in luck because we're giving our tables a makeover. First things first, to jazz up your table, you'll need to highlight it. Remember our chat from the last video? Yep, that's the method you'll use to select your table, whether it's the whole thing or just a piece of it. Once you've got your table or the part of it selected from the table design ribbon, keep an eye out for a button on the lower right in the borders section. Give that a click and voila, you're now in the borders and shading window. It's like the backstage of a fashion show, but for tables. On the left side of this window, you'll see different types of borders. Think of these as different outfits for your table. In the middle, you can choose the style of the line, its color, and its width. It's like picking out the fabric, color, and design of a dress. And these options, they're all in scroll down menus, so you can browse to your heart's content. Now, here's where it gets fun. You can decide if you want to jazz up just the outer border of your table or every single line inside it. And as you make these choices, there's a handy preview on the right to show you how fabulous your table is looking. But wait, there's more. In the Apply To menu, you've got 4 choices for where your border magic will happen. Text. This will frame just the text inside your table. Paragraph. This adds some flair inside each cell of your table. Cell. This is for when you want to highlight individual cells or a bunch of them. Table. Go big or go home. This applies your chosen border to the entire table. Once you've made your table look runway ready, all that's left is to hit that OK button. And just like that, your table's gone from drab to fab. So the next time your table needs a little sprucing up, you know just what to do. So you've got this table and you want to give it a little extra flair. Maybe you want to highlight a specific part or just make it look snazzier. Here's how you can do it. First, decide which part of the table you want to jazz up and highlight it. Got it? Great. Now head over to the borders and shading window. You can find it by clicking on the button located on the lower right of the borders group on the table design ribbon. Now let's hop over to the shading tab. On the left, you'll see a section called Fill. This is where you can pick a color for your cell. It's like choosing the perfect paint for your room. Just click on your desired shade. But if you're feeling adventurous and want more options, click on more colors. It's like a rainbow of choices. But wait, there's more. In the Patterns section, you've got 2 menus, Style and Color. Style lets you decide how much of the new color you want to mix with the original. Think of it like mixing 2 paint colors together. Color is where you pick a second shade to blend with the first. It's like creating a custom cocktail of colors. Fun fact, If you mix them up to 40%, you'll still see both colors, but go beyond that and they'll merge into one. Now, where do you want this splash of color to go? In the Apply To menu, you've got options. Text. This colors just the text inside your table. Paragraph. This focuses on the text area inside the table. Cell. Perfect for when you want to highlight individual cells. Table. Go all out and color the entire table. Once you've made your masterpiece, hit that OK button. But hey, there's another way to paint the town. Or, well, your table. Head over to Table Design, Table Styles section. There, you'll find a shading button. Click on its arrow, and you'll be greeted with a menu full of color choices. So the next time your table feels a bit bland, remember these tricks. With a splash of color and a dash of pattern, you can transform any table into a work of art. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, we've got plenty more videos to come covering all aspects of ICDL plus word processing. From basic formatting to advanced techniques, we'll make sure you master the program like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.